Do you remember the part in our lecture today about workplace safety? It really shocked my attention. Indah, kamu ingat bagian kuliah tadi tentang keselamatan kerja? Itu bikin aku tertarik banget.
Yes, Dila, I remember, especially the part about the role of HSE officer, right? Iya, Dila, aku ingat, apalagi soal peran HSE officer kan?
Exactly, the then release before that day plays such a hook role in both health and the environment. Iya banget. Aku sebelumnya gak nyadar kalau mereka punya peran besar dalam kesehatan dan lingkungan.
They really do. HSE stands for Healthy, Safety, and Environment. It's a critical job in many industries. Memang HSE itu singkatan dari Healthy, Safety, Environment, pekerjaan penting dalam banyak industri.
So, what exactly do they do every day? They make sure everything is safe, but can you give more details? Jadi sebenarnya mereka ngapain aja setiap hari? Aku tahu mereka memastikan semuanya aman, tapi bisa jelasin lebih detail?
Sure, they monitor safety procedures, impact machines and protective gear, check how waste is managed, and make sure all workers follow a healthy protocols. Tentu, mereka mengawasi prosedur keselamatan, memeriksa mesin, alat perlindungan, mengecek pengolahan limbah, dan memastikan semua pekerja mengikuti protokol keselamatan.
Wow, sounds like a lot of responsibility. Use they not do stay alert all the team. Wah, banyak juga ya tanggung jawabnya. Berarti mereka harus selalu waspada dong.
Exactly, they also need to report incidents, investigate cases, and help prevent the same things from happening again. Betul, mereka juga melaporkan kecelakaan, menyelidiki penyebab, dan mencegah supaya tidak terulang.
Do they also deal directly with workers and managers? Mereka juga berbicara langsung sama pekerja dan manajer.
Yes, communication is a part of their job. They give a safety training, lead emergency drills, and sometimes even read reports of government agency. Iya, komunikasi itu bagian besar dari pekerjaan mereka. Mereka ngasih pelatihan keselamatan, memimpin simulasi darurat, dan kadang bikin laporan buat investasi pemerintah.
That actually kind of exciting. I mean, it's mix of field work and office work, and you help protect people and nature. Itu sebenarnya seru juga ya. Maksudku, itu gabungan kerja lapangan dan kerja kantor. Dan kita juga bantu melindungi orang dan alam.
Exactly, and they work so many pleasure victories, hospitals, construction sites, even oil, gas, and companies. Bener banget, mereka itu pekerja, mereka kerja di banyak tempat-tempat pabrik, rumah sakit, proyek konstruksi, bahkan perusahaan minyak dan gas.
You know what? I think I'm really interested in this career. I like the idea of solving problems and helping others stay safe. Kamu tahu nggak? Aku kayaknya benar-benar tertarik sama karir ini. Aku suka ide menyelesaikan masalah dan bantu orang tetap aman.
That's a great to hear. You'll be good at it. You are organized and always think ahead. Senang dengarnya, kamu pasti cocok. Kamu orang yang teratur dan selalu berpikir ke depan.
Thanks, Indah. I'm even thinking of taking a special HSE course of certification after graduation. What do you think? Makasih, Indah. Aku bahkan kepikiran ambil kursus atau sertifikasi HSI setelah lulus. Gimana menurutmu?
That's a smart move. I was think the same. We call this study together. Itu langkah cerdas. Aku juga kepikiran kita bisa belajar bareng.
Yes, maybe one day you will be real HSI officer, helping industry become safe and greener. Ya, mungkin suatu hari kita bisa jadi HSI officer beneran. Bantu industri jadi lebih aman dan ramah lingkungan.
Let's make it happen, Dila.
1, 2, 1, 1.